What's good, Grizzly Gang? It's your boy Grizzly Man, back with another daggone video. Alright, but y'all, it look like it's about to rain. Still better job Black Beauty though. She looking good. She oh yeah. I can't tell y'all right now. I gotta tell y'all later when I get everything. So shout out to CCI Caliber Covers, man. They about to hook me up, and that dude, I really appreciate the customer service and everything. So just can't wait for everything to get here. It's a surprise for the Grizzly Gang and a surprise for me also. But I need to also paint underneath my calipers so it can like really hit like hard, you know, that type of, you know, detail. Detail is the key. I always tell y'all, make sure y'all always have detail when y'all get things. All right, but I'm about to drive up there. I'm gonna talk to y'all, man, to them trolls. this is the last time I'm gonna talk. I don't know if they Grizzly Gang or trolls or whatever. What is that? Yeah, I'm about to talk to y'all. Man, she looking good, ain't she? Got Grizzly Marty on the back, you feel me? Got 300 gang. You know, follow me at Grizzly Marty on YouTube or Grizzly_Marty on IG. You feel me? She looking good. She looking good. And she a little dirty too because I haven't washed her since I left. We went to Virginia. I went to Virginia on the weekend and I need a washer. Oh my gosh, I got a big old bug right there. Yeah, I think I'm about to go take her. It's gonna rain, so it's like no point of doing it right now. It's good to like let the rain wash out. I'm gonna probably spray and let the rain like do its job. Let me go start her up though. Ooh. Milo, she a masterpiece. I ain't got any, but I ain't done no joke. She still gonna laugh at me. That's my song. Hold on, that's my song though. Dude, I cracked my GoPro. Like, y'all can't see it, but it's just the protective lens. If y'all get a GoPro, always put the protective stuff on it. Don't leave it out. I'm about to order some more, but here we go. Let's get her started. She gonna sound good today because it's a little cold, a little chilly. Cheat day, so you see me with snacks, and you're gonna see me get some donuts, bro. I'm going to Krispy Kreme. That's just my place of interest right now. After my deadlifts, I usually have a cheat day. I have what, 2 or 3 deadlift sessions, but on my first deadlift session, I always have a cheat meal of the week. I have a cheat meal every week, you know, so. Yeah, that's that gym music. Yeah, I'm about to head up to East Coast Hydrographics. Shout out to them, man. They're always hooking your boy up. But I'm about to go pick up the subscribers giveaway. It's been long. I've been so busy trying to do things. I'm finally about to pick it up, and then I'm gonna ship it out to the first place winner. I'm about to do that, but I'm about to move my cars real quick. Alright, but I ain't about to rap to y'all for like that long, but I just want to shout out to the Grizzly Gang, man. Shout out to all the supporters and everybody that's watching, man. Shout out to y'all, man. Grizzly Gang, 300 Gang, what else we got? Mofar Gang, Mofar family, all that stuff. But I'm gonna just speak about this. I'm a 90s baby, if y'all don't know that, okay? So we 90s babies, we built different. We know social media and we know how to do stuff without social media. That's why I feel like it's a blessing for me because I know how to put my phone down. I know how to interact with people and stuff like that. Sometimes I don't want to be on camera. Sometimes I do. It's one of those things. But I know you can do real good if you got social media, you know. But what it is, y'all, this is just talking about people acting like I don't know anything about cars, bro. If y'all don't know my back history, I love cars. I do a lot of research about cars. If y'all, all right, so I'm gonna just tell y'all a little bit about me. Of course, when I get to like 50K, I'll tell y'all pretty much my life story or something like that. But a little bit about me, man. I love animals and I love cars. That's something that I'm an outdoors type person. I like to be outdoors. I don't like to be inside. I like to play video games and stuff like that, but I like to be outside. That is my thing. That's my tick. Outside, I love nature. It's beautiful, man. I just like to see how things are created. I'm really interested in things like that. But cars is something I'm really passionate about, just like animals and nature. So I do my research about them, and I read things, I watch things, and I even know how to fix, you know, a lot of parts on my vehicle without going to somebody. But a lot of times I can just go to somebody and pay them, and it should be just, you know, a fun experience like that. That's why I go to my guy Charles, man. He teaches me a lot. It's things I know how to do, like change the brakes, little knickknacks here and there. But if it has like to do with like the brakes and stuff like that, I don't trust myself with it. You know, I like the brakes, like the fluid and stuff like that. I don't know how to bleed brakes and stuff. I know how to change brakes and things like that. Or like the thermostat. That was something different I never did before. There's a lot of things I did before that I know how to do. Besides all that, y'all, this is for all the trolls, bro. I'm not gonna manage this like that, bro. I know about cars. Don't come to me and tell me like the 300 is like, they acting like I don't know what a 300 is, bro. I know what a 300 is. If y'all know what a Mopar, first of all, we're gonna talk about Mopar. Mopar, if you look at all the cars, they're pretty much the same. They have a different engine in them. They have the V6, the 3.6. They have the 5.7. They have the 6.4, and they have the Hellcat. You know, all right, the Trackhawk and all that stuff. You know, they got the Red Eye, Demon, and what is it's the new joint, the Track Pack or whatever it's called, something like that. You know, and now they about to have the Ghoul come out. They're pretty much the same engine. So Dodge is really not changing up the platform and how their cars in. So there's a lot of things that can fit inside my car that are Dodge Charger that I know. People say, oh, I'm trying to make my car like a Dodge Charger. Bro, this is a Dodge Charger pretty much. It's just a Chrysler. It's a different body. Like, if you don't understand, it's a different body. Not trying to make my car like I love the 300. That's why I'm 300 gang to the top. I love the style. I love it. But yeah, my car is gonna sound like a Charger because it is pretty much a daggone Charger. It's a 5.7 engine, the same thing in a Charger. Don't let me get heated, boy, bro. My car is pretty much a Charger. It's just 300 is more luxury type style, but it has a performance. Why you think they have the SRT8? Why you back then? And they still have the SRT8. It's just overseas. Or the SRT, my bad. The SRT. They used to be. Oh, there go one right now. Speaking of the SRTs. Oh, yeah, bro. This is the same platform and everything. It's just a different style on the inside and a different body. But the engine and things like that, and the front, look at this. A Dodge Charger, bro. That's different. But it's a Dodge Charger pretty much. This is different. This is the same. All the same parts of Christ. But besides of that, I'm about to go to my boy at East Coast Hydrographics, man. We about to get some stuff done. About to go pick up some things and just chop it up and see what's going on. Yeah, to them trolls out there, man. I know about cars, y'all. This is my passion. I know about cars, bro. I know about JDM. I know about muscle cars. One of my favorite muscle car used to be the Mustang, but of course it's the Hellcat right now, you know. Well, I still like that Cobra. It ain't the Mustang, it's the Cobra. You feel me? That is the top dog right there. Okay, the GT500. Woo, that thing mean. Especially the one that they had on what's that movie with Will Smith? If y'all know it, go ahead and put it down there. I think it's I'm Legend. Yeah, there you go. See, I knew it was gonna come to my head. But yeah, that movie was lit, and that car was lit. All right, and they had it on Need for Speed. Oh my goodness, but that one was done differently. So I like the Mustang. Don't get me wrong. I probably won't own one, but I'll probably get one for the channel and I'll sell it. All right, y'all. I'll see you there. Yeah, so I just picked it up. He did. So I don't know if I want to show y'all. Y'all have to go check out on his page. I'm gonna put it up right here. So I just chopped it up with my boy Justin. He hooking me up, man. I really appreciate him. Like, if y'all need anything hydro dip professionally, go to East Coast Hydrographic. All right, East Coast Hydrographic. I'm gonna say it one more time. East Coast Hydrographic. All right. since I met Justin, man, he been hooking me up and taking care of me, and I want to do the same, man. If y'all want to get anything hydro tip, go to him ASAP, bro. He does a lot of work, and he's a good guy, man. So and he's reasonable with the prices also. He ain't gonna give you no, oh, let me slow down, because you know I got the lowering springs now. I can't be driving off fast on the road. My head. But yeah, go hit him up, man. So yeah, oh, it's looking like it's about to rain, so I'm about to go get my cheat meal. I told y'all I was gonna get my cheat meal, man. I told y'all. So what, let me just tell y'all what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna rehydro dip these, and then also my antenna, I'm gonna do that. So I probably have to go to Jason. It's funny, I got Justin, Jason, I got a lot of J's, James, you know. Man, it's raining, it's drizzling. This is the worst time because my rear tires are shot, bro. Them things is gone. I'm thinking before I get my rims, I should just put some used ones on just so I can be safe. I already got some new tires that's coming. I ordered the tires, but I had to order the rims. So you know, that's what you gotta do when you get a car. Sometimes you gotta do it in steps, so you can do it all at once. I'll see y'all later. I told y'all it's my cheat day, man. Look at the gut. Oh my goodness. I can't show you no more. Hold on, man. I got you. Leave one of these mud before I go in. Hold on. Let me see. Take a bite. Hey, man. When you work hard, this is what you get. I think good day that strawberry drink. I'm a fat person at heart. That's why I gotta work out twice as hard as everybody. Alright, Grizzly Gang, so this is pretty much the end of the video, man. I just wanted to chop it up with y'all, man. These phony people out here, man, thinking I don't know cars, bro. You see what I done to my car? You think I don't know cars? I do heavy research on cars, bro. I know about my car, bro. I probably not all nerd brain type. Oh, I know how much my car weight and this and that, how fast it go on the PSI. I don't know all of that stuff, but I do know about cars. I know what it takes to have one, to own one, to maintain one, to fix parts and stuff like that. I know what it is, bro. Come on, I know what to look for, and I know a lot of the parts names. If y'all can name some of the parts that y'all order, like when y'all change them and stuff like that, yeah, I know them. So don't play with me, y'all. Play with your mammy. That's what my boy Kern always say. But hey, shout out to everybody, man. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Greasy Marty channel, because I'm about to go eat some Popeyes. You see that? Some Krispy Kreme, because it's my cheat day, and I'm about to just lay back and just eat and sleep and get ready to work out tonight. Peace. Love y'all, man. Deuces. Can't do it right now because I got my hand on the steering wheel.